Hey, I'm here for the photo shoot.
No worries, mate. Come right on through.
Nice to meet you.
We'll get started. So, I've just got one quick question before we start.
Yeah.
Are all dogs gay?
No, of course not.
Well, they are. And you are giving me bad vibes, so you need to stop. Please stop.
Okay.
Now, why I've got you here, so I'm going to get you to wear this throughout the entire shoot. So I need you to wear this right here, everyone. Right here. Yeah. Okay? And I'll get that stupid beanie off. You're just about bad vibes here, aren't you? Just get that thing off.
Sorry.
Right, now I'm going to give you this. Please use this sparingly. It's a glass of water. When you get thirsty, take a little sip out of that, and it should quench your thirst. Quench it. Very nice. Now, if you want that merch over there, go to the link in the description, and it takes you to our Teespring store, and our Teespring URL is Doggos Premium.
So, what am I doing?
You're going to be reading dog breeds off a list.
Dog breeds off a list. What? I thought it was meant to be a photo shoot. When is everyone else coming?
Change your plans. They're not actually coming.
So I'm just reading dog breeds off a list.
Yes, you are. And you've wasted enough time already. We need to start shooting.
Are you serious? You were on the toilet for over half an hour.
Listen here, I'm not paying you to back chat. Alright? So I'm going to give you this list of dog breeds. I want you to read the list clearly and very loud, please. No mistakes.
Thank you. Afghan Pinscher. Afghan Hound.
No, Afghan Hound. Afghan Hound.
Afghan Hound.
Yes.
Afghan Shepherd. 80. Airedale Terrier. Akbash. Akita. Alano Espanol. Alaskan Husky. Alaskan Klekai. Alaskan Malamute. Avort. Alopicus. Alpine Dashbrack. Alpine Mastiff. Alpine Spaniel. American Akita. American Bulldog. American Cocker Spaniel. American English Coonhound. American Eskimo Dog. American Foxhound. American Hairless Terrier. American Pit Bull Terrier. American Staffordshire Terrier. American Water Spaniel.
Hold up. Read that last one.
The American Staffordshire Terrier or the American Water Spaniel?
American Water Spaniel? No, I want you to say that louder.
American Water Spaniel.
Louder.
American Water Spaniel.
Thanks.
Anatolian Shepherd Dog. Andalusian Hound.
Okay, too loud.
Andalusian Hound.
Yes.
Anglo-Française de Petite Venerie. Appenzella Senhund. Arige Pointer. Arigios. Armand. Armenian Gampier Dog. Artois Hound. Australian Cattle Dog. Australian Kelpie. Australian Shepherd. Australian Silky Terrier.
No. Zilky Terrier.
Australian Silky Terrier. Australian Stumpy Tail Cattle Dog. Australian Terrier. Austrian Black and Tan Hound. Austrian Pinscher. Azerwak. Bakhal Dog. Barbet. Bazenji. Basque Ratter. Basque Shepherd Dog. Basset Artesian Normand. Basset Bleu de Gascogne. Basset Fauve de Bretagne. Basset Griffon Verdine Grand. Basset Griffon Verdine Petit. Basset Hound. Bavarian Mountain Hound. Beagle.
No. Beagle.
Beagle.
No. Beagle.
Beagle.
Yes.
Beagle Harrier. Bearded Collie. Beau Sirron. Bedlington Terrier. Belgian Shepherd Dog. Belgian Shepherd Dog, again. Another one. Berger Masco Shepherd. Berger Blanc Swiss.
No, fill in the blank, please.
Fill in the blank.
Fill in the blank.
Burger blank Swiss.
So I want from, let's, oh, whatever.
Burger blank Swiss. Burger Picard. Bernese Mountain Dog. Bacon Frise. Billy.
No. Bichon frise.
Bacon
No,
Frise.
Bichon.
Bacon.
Bichon.
Bacon.
Exaggerate.
Bacon.
Frise.
Bacon Frise.
Yes.
Billy. Black and Tan Coonhound. Black and Tan Virginian Foxhound. Black Norwegian Elkhound. Black Russian Terrier. Black Mouth Cur. Blue de Gascoigne Grand. Blue de Gascoigne Petite. Bloodhound. Blue Heeler. Blue Lacey. Blue Paul Terrier. Blue Picardy Spaniel. Blue Tick Coonhound. Bow Bowl. Bohemian Shepherd. Bolognese. Border Collie. Border Terrier. Borzoi. Bosnian Coarse-haired Hound. Boston Terrier. Bouvier de Ardennes. Bouvier de Flandres. Boxer. Boykin Spaniel. Bracco Italiano. Brac de Auvergne. Brac de Bourbonnais. Brac de Puy. Brac Française. Brac Saint-Germain. Brazilian Doggo. Brazilian Terrier. Briard. Briquet Griffin Verdine. Brittany. Broholmer. Bruno Jurahound. Bukovian Shepherd Dog.
Okay, stop. You're speaking way too loud at the moment. You need to bring your volume down and repeat that last one.
Bukovian Shepherd Dog.
Bit, bit softer.
Bukovian Shepherd.
No, I can't hear you speak louder.
Bukovian Shepherd Dog. Bull and Terrier. Bull Terrier. Bull Terrier Miniature. Bulldog. Bullenbisser. Bull Mastiff. Bully Cutter. Burgos Pointer. Can Terrier. Canaan Dog. Canadian Eskimo Dog. Cane Corso.
No, cane torso, thanks.
It says Corso with a C. Look, Cane Corso. How would you like to pronounce it? Corso or Torso? I think Torso is wrong, but sure, I can pronounce it as such.
Torso, please.
Okay, Cane.
The C is silent T, okay? Torso.
Cane Torso. Oh, damn it. Cantabrian Water Dog. Cal de Serra de Aries. Cal de Castro Laborio. Cal de Gado Transmontano. Cal Fila de Sao Miguel. Carolina Dog. Carpathian Shepherd Dog. Catahoula Leopard Dog. Catalan Sheepdog. Caucasian Shepherd Dog. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. Central Asian Shepherd Dog. Seski Fusek. Seski Terrier.
No, Zesty Terrier.
Zesty Terrier.
No, Zesty. Zesty Terrier.
Zesty Terrier.
Yes, Zesty Terrier.
Zesty Terrier.
Thanks.
Chesapeake Bay Retriever. Chien Française Blanc et Noir. Chien Française Blanc et Orange. Chien Française Tricolore. Chien Gris. Chihuahua. Chilean Fox Terrier. Chinese Chongqing Dog. Chinese Crested Dog. Chinese Imperial Dog. Chinook. Chip Piparia. Chow Chow. Cherny Seri. Cherneco del Etna. Clumber Spaniel. Collie Rough. Collie Smooth. Combi Cordoba fighting dog. Coton d'Itulia. Cretan hound. Croatian hound. Croatian sheepdog. Cumberland sheepdog. Curly-coated retriever. Kursinu. Czechoslovakian wolf dog. Dachshund. Dalmatian. Dandy Dinmont terrier. Danish Swedish farm dog. Deutsche Bracke. Doberman Pinscher. Doggo Argentino.
No. Dog. You drink that water, put it down, and keep reading. Thanks. Turn the cup.
Okay.
Turn the cup.
Yep.
Brilliant.
Okay. Doberman Pinscher. Doggo Argentino. Doggo Cubano. Doge de Bordeaux. Drenser Patrichond. Drever. Dunker. Dutch Shepherd. Dutch Smershund. East Siberian Laika. East European Shepherd. Elo. English Cocker Spaniel. English Foxhound. English Mastiff. English Setter. English Shepherd. English Springer Spaniel. English Toy Terrier. Black and tan. English Water Spaniel. English White Terrier. Ental Buca Mountain Dog. Estonian Hound. Estrella Mountain Dog. Eurasia. Eurohound. Field Spaniel. Fila Brasileiro. Finnish Hound. Finnish Laphound. Finnish Spitz. Flat-coated Retriever. Fox Terrier. Smooth. Fox Terrier. Wire. French Brittany. French Bulldog. French...
No.
What?
French Provincial Bulldog. Thanks.
Okay, French Provincial Bulldog. French Spaniel. Guardy Dog. Galgo Espanol. Galician Cattle Dog. Galician Shepherd. Gascon Sainton Gios. Georgian Shepherd Dog. German Long-haired Pointer. German Pinscher. German Rough-haired Pointer. German Shepherd Dog. German Short-haired Pointer. German Spaniel. German Spitz. German Wired-haired Pointer. Giant Schnauzer. Glen Ovimal Terrier. Golden Retriever.
No. Golden Retriever.
Golden Retriever.
Golden Retriever.
Which part of the word am I pronouncing wrong?
Golden Retriever.
Golden Retriever.
Yeah, you're pronouncing Golden Retriever. The whole.
Okay, Golden Retriever.
No, Golden Retriever.
Golden Retriever.
No, Retriever.
I mean, it's a pretty common English known name for a dog. Anyway, okay, Golden Retriever.
Golden Retriever.
Golden Retriever.
Yes. Good.
Gordon Setter. Grand Maston de Borriquin. Grand Anglo-Française Blanc et Noir. Grand Anglo-Française Blanc et Orange. Grand Anglo-Française Tricolour. Grand Griffon Vendine. Great Dane. Great Pyrenees. Greater Swiss Mountain Dog. Greek Harehound. Greenland Dog. Greyhound. Griffon Bleu de Gascogne. Griffon Bruxello. Griffon Fave de Bretagne. Griffon Nivernais. Guatemalan Doggo. Hamilton Stover. Hanover Hound. Hare Indian Dog. Harrier. Havanese. Hawaiian Poi Dog. Himalayan Sheepdog. Hokkaido. Hortean Borzea. Hover Wart. Hunter Way. Heigenhund. Ibizan Hound. Icelandic Sheepdog. Indian Pariah Dog. Indian Spitz. Irish red and white setter. Irish setter. Irish terrier. Irish water spaniel. Irish wolfhound.
I wish you would read this louder. I wish.
Okay.
Irish, you would read it louder.
Irish.
Bit more emotion.
Okay, alright, please. I'm trying to do my job, okay? I'm trying to do my job. Irish wolfhound. Is that loud enough?
Louder.
Irish wolfhound.
Yes. No, sorry, it's not.
Istrian coarse-haired hound. Istrian short-haired hound. Italian greyhound. Jack Russell terrier. Jagged terrier. Jamhund. Japanese chin. Japanese Spitz. Japanese terrier. Kaikani, Kaiken. Kangal dog. Carney. Karakachan dog. Karelian bear dog. Karst shepherd. Keeshond. Kerry beagle. Kerry blue terrier. King Charles spaniel. King shepherd. Kintamani. Kishu Ken. Commodore. Kukir Honje. Coolie. Korean Jindo. Crom Forlander. Kumoan Mastiff. Kunming Wolf Dog. Kuri. Kuvash. Kai Leo. Labrador Husky. Labrador Retriever. Lagotto Romagnolo. Lakeland Terrier. Lancashire Heeler. Landseer. Laponian Herder. Leon Berger. Lhasa Apso. Lithuanian Hound. Lochen. Mackenzie River Husky. Magyar Egger. Maratha Greyhound. Majorca Rata. Majorca Shepherd Dog. Maltese. Manchester Terrier. Maremma Sheepdog. McNab. Mexican Hairless Dog. Miniature Australian Shepherd. Miniature American Shepherd. Miniature Fox Terrier. Miniature Pinscher. Miniature Schnauzer. Miniature Shar-Pei. Meortic. Molossus. Molossus of Epirus. Montenegrin Mountain Hound. Moscow Watchdog. Moscow Water Dog. Mountain Cur. Muchoshi's Mudhole Hound. Moody. Munsterlander Large. Munsterlander Small. Neapolitan
No.
Mastiff.
Medium. You missed medium.
Okay, I'm not going to argue. Munsterlander Medium. And could I please have some more water? You gave me a quarter. You gave me a quarter of a cup of water.
I'm sorry, the taps are broken. I actually had to fish that water out.
I mean, I don't even know. I don't even know one here, honestly.
No, you
What?
get
What?
back. I'm not paying you to walk out on the
You've been
job.
disrespecting me. You're paying me shit all fucking anyway. Why am I here?
I am paying you a reasonable amount. That's why the screen's turning off.
Whatever.
You get back here. Get back.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
You good to resume?
Yep,
Yeah.
I'm good, okay? Let's not talk anymore about that, okay? Okay, Munsterlander Large. Munsterlander Medium. Munsterlander Small.
Yes.
Neapolitan Mastiff. Newfoundland. New Zealand Heading Dog. Norfolk Spaniel. Norfolk Terrier. Norbotten Spets. North Country Beagle. Northern Inuit Dog. Norwegian Boohound. Norwegian Elkhound. Norwegian Lundehund. Norwich Terrier. Nova Scotia Duck-tolling Retriever. Old Croatian Sighthound. Old Danish Pointer. Old English Sheepdog. Old English Terrier. Old German Shepherd. Old Time Farm Shepherd. Old English Bulldog. Otterhound. Patchen Navarro. Pandecona Hunting Dog. Paisley Terrier. Papillon. Parson Russell Terrier.
Got too bright?
No, it's fine. Seriously, what are you trying to... I'm starting to wonder if this is a joke, but...
No, it's not.
Okay, alright, please let me read this list, okay?
No wonder I got the glove. Yeah. Be nice.
I'm wasting my weekend. doing
Workplace health safety
this. Okay,
first.
alright. Please, just... Patterdale Terrier. Pekingese. Perro di Presa Canario. Perro di Presa Maliquin. Peruvian Hairless Dog. Faline. Pharaoh Hound. Fuquoc Ridgeback. Picardy Spaniel. Plummer Terrier. Plot Hound. Podenso Canario. Pointer. Poitevin. Polish Greyhound. Polish Hound. Polish Hunting Dog. Polish Lowland Sheepdog. Polish Tatra Sheepdog. Pomeranian.
Can you please remind people what dog in Polish is?
Well, you said it was Piers or something earlier. I was wondering the relevance, but
Pies.
Piers.
Pies.
Piers.
Pies.
Okay. Yep. Yeah. Okay. Well, the Polish Tatra Sheepdog is clearly a Piers. Pomeranian. Pont Odom Spaniel. Poodle. Porcelain. Portuguese Podengo. Portuguese Pointer. Portuguese Water Dog. Postovac Hound. Praski Kreiseric. Poodle Pointer. Pug. Pulley. Pumi. Punxsutawney Hound. Pyrenean Mastiff. Pyrenean Shepherd. Rafiro do Alentejo. Raja Palayam. Rampa Greyhound. Rastreador Brasilio. Ratonero Bodeguero Andalas. Ratonero Americano de Hirscher. Ratonero Valenciano. Rat Terrier. Redbone Coonhound. Rhodesian Ridgeback. Rottweiler. Russian Spaniel. Russian Toy. Russian Tracker. Russo-European Laika. Russell Terrier. Salus Wolf Dog. Sabueso Español. Sabueso Fino Colombiano. Saint Usage Spaniel. Sakhalin Husky. Saluki. Samoyed. Sapsali. Sarpleniak. Sharpendos. Shilastover. Schipperk. Standard Schnauzer. Schweizer Lufthund. Schweizerreisver Niederlufthund.
Please repeat that one. You started a bit there.
Okay, alright. Schweizerischer Niederlufthund. Scotch Collie. Scottish Deerhound. Scottish Terrier. Sealyham Terrier. Seguigo Italiano. Separa Siberian sled dog. Serbian hound. Serbian tricolored hound. Seskar seal dog. Shah Hai. Shetland sheepdog. Shiba Inu.
Now, say that loud and say it proud.
Shiba Inu.
Louder.
Shiba Inu.
And what is a Shiba Inu?
Oh, it's a dog or something. I don't know, I'm more of a cat person.
Exactly. You're a f***ing cat person.
Okay, please, I will not be abused. You're paying me to get this job done. Please just let me do it. Okay?
Okay, so you are actually correct. A Shiba Inu is a dog.
Well, I'm not surprised because I'm reading from a list of dog breeds, but thank you for that.
That's alright.
Please, let's get out of here. Shiba Inu, which is a dog, as we all know now.
What is it? Say it louder. Yell dog. Yell dog right now. Yell
Shih
it.
Tzu.
No, yell dog.
Shih Shilo Shepherd. Siberian Husky. Silken Windhound. Sinhala Hound. Sloughy. Slovak Kuvak. Slovakian Roughhead Pointer. Slovensky Kopov. Smaland Stover. Small Greek domestic dog. Soft-coated Wheaten Terrier. South Russian Ovchaka. Southern Hound. Spanish Mastiff. Spanish Water Dog. Correct you every time, don't I? Okay, alright, please, I just want to get the shit done, okay? Spanish Water Dog.
Witchcraft.
Spanish Water Dog. Spinone Italiano. Sporting Lucas Terrier. Saint Bernard. St. John's Water Dog. Stabby Hood. Staffordshire Bull Terrier. Stevens Cur. Styrian Coarse-haired Hound. Sussex Spaniel. Swedish Lapphund. Swedish Valhund. Tal-Ten Bear Dog. Tigan Taiwan Dog. Talbot. Tamascan Dog. Teddy Roosevelt Terrier. Telomian. Tenterfield Terrier. Terceira Mastiff. Thai Bankay Dog. Thai Ridgeback. Tibetan Mastiff. Tibetan Spaniel. Tibetan Terrier. Tornjack. Tosa. Toy Bulldog. Toy Fox Terrier. Toy Manchester Terrier. Toy Trawler Spaniel. Transylvanian Hound.
No, you missed toy poodle.
No, well, there's no toy poodle on this
Well,
list.
there should be
Okay,
a toy
alright, I'll
poodle.
add it in. Let me start from the toys again. Toy Bulldog. Toy Poodle. Toy Fox Terrier. Toy Manchester Terrier. Toy Trawler Spaniel. Transylvanian Hound. Treeing Cur. Treeing Tennessee Bridle. Treeing Walking Coonhound. Trig Hound. Tweed Water Spaniel. Tyrolean Hound. What now?
Hund.
No, this is Hound.
No. Hund.
Okay, Tyrolean Hund.
Hund.
Okay, off, okay.
2 dots. Hund.
No, it's not anyway, but...
Like buying someone.
Tyrolean Hund. Uruguayan Cimarron. Valetian Rada. Banjari Hound. Volano de las Incartaciones. Visla. Volpino Italiano. Weimaraner. Welsh Corgi. Cardigan. Welsh Corgi. Pembroke. Welsh Sheepdog. Welsh Springer Spaniel. Welsh Terrier. West Highland White Terrier. West Siberian Lyca. West Siberian Lyca. Westphalian dash bracket. If you please stop doing that. Okay. I'm seriously about to leave. I could not care about the money at this point. This is getting ridiculous. I mean, I'm meant to be here for a photo shoot. Listen, I've come here for a photo shoot, which is meant to be with a bunch of other people. Told this is meant to be a professional photo shoot, and now I'm reading fucking dog breeds off a list. Okay, I'm going to finish this. I'm right at the end. I'm at W, and then God forbid I better get my money, and then I'm going to leave. I don't care how this ends up getting spliced together, but I'm sick to shit of what's going on here. I'm really, really fucking sick of this, and feel free to cut this out because you have to cut a lot of this out. Anyway, just let me finish my job, please. Please. Westphalian dash bracket. Wetterhund. Whippet. White shepherd. Wirehead pointing griffin. Wirehead fizzler. Suxy dog and Yorkshire terrier.
No, what are you doing? We're going for another hour.
I've bred every dog on the dog breed.
Have you done mixed breeds? Have you done Maltese Shih Tzu?
Listen, you've just given me a list of Wikipedia.
Who? A bullshit.
Okay, no, I'll tell you what's bullshit. I'll tell you what's bullshit. This job is bullshit. And I'm actually fucking leaving now. I'm not doing that.
No, you come back here right now.
I'm done. Seriously, I will. This is actually harassment at this point. Please.
I have a signed contract with you. You are to be here until I say...
But the contract is bullshit. It tells me I'm coming here for a photo shoot with 5 other people. For a clothing brand.
Dogs count as people, don't they? You had more than 99 dogs on that list. How is that not people? Enough people for you to satisfy your need. Yeah?
Okay, dogs, first of all, dogs are not people. Second of all, I was told I was coming for a photo shoot for a clothing brand. And I'm wearing sort of doggo shirt. It's really nice and everything, but...
Yeah, you can have it. You can have it.
Okay, thank you. But
there's reimbursement for your...
I still expect to be paid. No, I still expect to be paid, okay? I've had enough of this. I'm seriously fucking leaving now. This is the end of it. This is the end. Stop following me.